Hi guys, and welcome back to Beauty Fortified. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Sue, and today I've got an unboxing. This is a package that I received from my friend Agnes in Alaska. Now, Agnes has her own channel, and I will link it down below. It's called Beauty Reviews Short and Simple, and on there she reviews absolutely everything. She does reviews on steroids. I've never actually seen a YouTuber that has so much skincare and so much makeup, but she really has a fantastic way of presenting. She's got a wonderful sense of humor, and I will encourage you to please go and show her some support. I will link her channel down below. So back in October last year, Agnes and I agreed that we would send each other a package of things that we couldn't get in each other's country. And for South Africans, we really limited in terms of the makeup that we can get our hands on. I did some research into posting things over to the US, and unfortunately with COVID and everything else, it was just a little bit too complicated, and is too complicated at this time. But Agnes managed to send me something through, which was really very kind of her. And so I'm very excited. 2.5 months later, the package has finally arrived. It's been a bit of a runaround with the South African Postal Service, so it hasn't been smooth sailing. But anyway, I'm going to get into it, and I'm going to see what Agnes has sent me. I'm very excited. So just opening up the box. Oh gosh, and there's a postcard from her. Greetings from Alaska. Alaska is definitely on my bucket list. So very excited to be receiving something from Alaska. Hello Sue, I'm sending you some beauty and makeup items. Possibly it's more than 5, but there's so many good products. Plus I'm already paying for the shipping, so why not? Enjoy, talk soon, Agnes. Oh, so very excited. Thank you, Agnes. Wow. There's a huge amount of stuff in here. So first up is Soap and Glory Buff and Butter. Well, that certainly looks very interesting. Can't get that in this country. Then I've got a timeless skincare eye cream, hydrating eye cream. Now, we can't get timeless either, so very excited about that. Some of this packaging is a little bit squashed. Let's see. Oh gosh. Now, oh, she sent me the Estee Lauder Revitalizing Supreme. Now, if you've been watching my channel, you'll know that I do rave about this stuff. And I've always said that one day, when I can afford it, I'm going to buy a full size. And so Agnes has just sent me a full size. So absolutely over the moon about that. Then we have, a couple of Milani blushes, and I've always hankered after these as well. Of course, we can't get these here either. Let's see what they are, what shades they are. Oh, that looks beautiful. The first one, it's Luminoso. And there you go. Always wanted one of those. So that's absolutely fabulous. And then there's another one. I can't read the writing on the packaging, but I'll list it down below for you. So 2 Milani blushes. And then, this is a number 7 Advanced Retinol 1.5% complex. Looking forward to trying that. And then, what is this? Pixie Glow Peel Pads. Wow. I've always wanted to try these. So that's great. Very excited about that. And she has sent me a timeless vitamin C serum. Now, I can't tell you how I have been wanting to try this brand for so long. So, wow, that is a real spoil. Gosh, there is quite a bit of stuff in here, guys. Soap and Glory hand and foot cream. Looking forward to trying that. And then there are, gosh, just a couple of mascaras, huge. L'Oreal Infallible Pro Last Eyeliner. That looks good. And then there's L'Oreal Lash Paradise Mascara. And a Revlon So Fierce. I have actually used this and I love it. And mine is finished. So really looking forward to that. And then an Estee Lauder Full Size Sumptuous Extreme. I absolutely love this. I'm actually using a sample size one of these at the moment. So that will go down very well. Then I've got here a Milani eyeshadow primer. Really looking forward to trying that. And then this is Wet n Wild Walking on Eggshells. Wow. I haven't tried this. I know it's an absolute classic from Wet n Wild. So very excited about that. Gosh. And then what have we got here? Rimmel Stay Matte. Now you can tell that Agnes has been watching my videos because this is my favorite setting powder and it's been discontinued. So very, very excited about that. Gosh. And there are a couple in here. Wow. So that's going to last me quite a while. Gosh, this is never ending. Wet n Wild Large Eyeshadow Brush. Looks like there are a couple more blushes from Milani. Gosh, absolutely beautiful. I will link the shades down below because I can't read the writing, unfortunately, but very excited about those. Never tried them, have always wanted to. So, can't wait. And let's see, gosh, there's so much stuff in here. Let's see. Oh my goodness. Some e.l.f. bite-sized eyeshadow palettes. Absolutely love these. I have spoken about them before. Fantastic drugstore eyeshadows. So Agnes has been watching my channel, I know, because she's sent me all the ones that I don't have. So very exciting. I've got rose water. There's cream and sugar, which I couldn't get online, and carnival candy. So very excited about those. And then what else do we have here? Gosh. Number 7, Lift and Illuminate Triple Action Finishing Powder. Looking forward to trying that. Then I have Shea Moisturizer, Glow Getter Pressed Serum Moisturizer, Manuka Honey and Yogurt. Wow, that looks incredible. I can't wait to try that. And then, gosh, I have got here a Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette. And this is one of the big ones. We don't get these here in South Africa. So it's a 32 pan eyeshadow palette. And it looks like that. Wow. That looks absolutely awesome. Can't wait to try that. And then, oh, there is an Indeed Labs Pepta Bright. This looks very interesting. I've never tried this brand before either, so it looks really, really good. And then finally we have a Soap and Glory Mask Force collection. So this looks like it's a whole lot of face masks. Absolutely, absolutely beautiful. So guys, that is my unboxing. Thank you so much, Agnes. Please go and pay Agnes a visit. I will link her channel down below. It's been awesome sharing this with you. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Ciao, ciao.